Hey guys, so let's get into the review of VideoDyno. Okay, so in this video I will show you how can you easily use VideoDyno. This is a very easy software, and you can see there are three main options in this software on dashboard. So this is the dashboard of VideoDyno. Okay, so let me start it. Okay, I will go through one by one each option and I will explain you everything in detail. Okay, so this is the create video script, then saved video, then saved answers. Okay, so let me click on create video script. Okay, once I have clicked on create video script, there are 8 options. Okay, lead capture page video script, Facebook Instagram video script, long form sales video script, YouTube ad video script, upsell video script, cross sell video script, pre-launch affiliate review. Leaving this cross sell video script, I know every of this video script and I know it goodly, but I don't know what is cross sell video script. So let me click on any of this. Okay, so let me choose upsell video script. Okay, let me click on continue. Okay, so as I have not already any pre-filled any video script or any pre-made video script, that's why they are showing me nothing. I have to choose none and then click on continue. Okay, so they will allow me to give any name of the video script. So let me type anything, then click on continue. Okay, so this software is totally based on AI technology. AI technology is most popular technology on this internet market or internet industry. AI technology is artificial intelligence technology. This you can use text to speech output. You can use it as from another person video to another person's face matching, lip matching, everything you can do with AI technology. Okay, so this software is totally based on totally popular advanced AI technology. Okay, so let me click any this is asking me for video presenter. Okay, let me click anything name like that. You can type your name. Okay, let me click on continue. So it will redirect me in the next form, which is about product name, service, which type product you are offering. Okay, so this technology works this way that you have to put your answers and it will give you a ready-made script. Within 2, 3 or 5 minutes you will get a script. Once you have put down all of the answers, your script will be ready in a minute or maybe 30 seconds or a minute or maybe 1.5 minutes. Okay, so this software works like instant. Okay, gives you instant video script. So before going to the next option, let me restart my video. Okay, as it is not premium version, it will give me only 3 minutes, so I have restarted it. So let me click I can type all the information here and I can click on continue, but rather I would prefer to show you from saved video script as it is more time saving. Okay, so here are some pre-filled video scripts. Okay, so let me click on any of them I can choose. Let me choose this, the first. So click by clicking on action, you can see they have filled something, or the person or maybe individual, he have or she has, sorry, my English is little bit poor. Okay, so as they filled their answers, this software gives them a video script, and once this video script is given by the software, you can click easily on create video from script. Once I have clicked on this, okay, it is not working. Maybe this is a review version, that's why it is not working. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, it was working, but my processor or maybe internet little bit slow. So this was taking little bit time, but it was not showing me as loading. That's why I did not understand. Okay, so these are some videos which is pre-made, and all of them are made with this tool. Okay, so these are some statistics, analytics, you can see everything with this. And let me click on this video edit. Okay, let me click any video edit. Okay, so maybe this video has not images, anything. Okay, let me choose any video which is pre-made. Okay, so click on create video copy Dyno. Okay, the script is already given. Okay, let me choose any video, but this has yes, this type of videos, this have some images, okay, in some slides, okay. So you can see here all in on customization option. Everything is given in this tool already. You can not only you can do with your script with this tool, but you can do very things. You can do editing, you can do slide by slide editing with this tool, okay. So this will show you like that, and you can edit your script from here. You can choose your text style, your text background, text position, everything you can do with this tool, okay. So this is literally insane. This is very easy to use and totally profitable for any video content maker, okay. So let me restart my recorder as it is getting nearer to 3 minutes and it is not a premium version, so let me restart it, okay. So everything is given here. You can see, you can click on this media and choose your video, your upload, your images, everything you can upload here. You can use text to speech output, you can use upload music, or you can use their English accent, their Portuguese accent, their language, their accent. These are the accents, okay. You can choose female voice, you can choose male voice or male thin voice, male thick voice, everything you can do with this tool, okay. So these are some features of this tool. All of this I don't want to show you all of each of them, because I literally don't know about every, and I don't make the video lengthy, okay. So that's why I am leaving it to you. You can try this any of these options, okay. So now let me show you that why should you buy from me from the video description link, because I am giving you $5,296 custom bonuses with this tool, as I am saving this type of bonuses from so many days. This meme is created by me, and this is a review page of the software. You can see all of the things, you can choose your product after checking the quality, after checking the benefits, checking the key features, cons, everything I have mentioned here. Why should you buy this or not to buy this, everything I have mentioned here. I still have not found any cons in this tool, okay. So it is the pricing, it is the early bird pricing, and this is the launch period, guarantee period 14 days, okay. So everything I have mentioned here. There are some videos which is made with this software, okay. So what is VideoDyno, every detailed review I have made here, and this is the dashboard, and whatever I have already showed to you in this video before, these all have I mentioned here, okay. So these are the testimonials of some big marketers, okay, really big marketers: Ankush Shukla, Todd Gross, Reshvin, Kaylee Gracia, okay. So who can use this, and these are the product owners, okay, really popular product owner and reputed product owners there, okay. So I have mentioned here some of their great works, okay. So in my words, this is strongly recommended, okay. If you are a video creator, then it is only recommended for you, otherwise don't get it, okay. So these are the upsells and OTO, everything I have mentioned here. So here comes the bonuses. Let me show you the bonuses. At first, let me restart my video recorder, okay. Let me remove this, okay. So these are the bonuses. Let me, I can tell about all of the bonuses, each by each, one by one, every bonuses, but I don't like it because this will make the video lengthy, but I would like to see you by yourself all of these bonuses and choose your product, is it is suitable for you or not, okay. By clicking the video description link, you will be redirected to here, and you can choose your bonuses easily. You can choose your product easily with a big smile, because I always create memes with the product review, okay. So these are the bonuses. You can see I am scrolling down while I am talking, but it is not ending. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I have collected these from so many days, and you are getting this instantly once you have brought this product from my side. And after buying this product, all you have to do, just click on this blue button, this affiliate access bonuses, and you will be redirected to all of these bonuses. This is not ending here. These are the 80 bonuses, and after that you will, as I was just tired of, and I was just unable to mention all of the bonuses because this was too many lengthy. The review may be so many lengthy, huge. That's why I prefer to use this kind of trick that let me select as mega bonuses, 100 tool, 100 PDF SEO software, or everything, just mixture of everything, software, resale stuff. And you just choose it, your product from yourself. Okay, so these are the mega bonuses I have mentioned here. So this was the review. Okay, so now let me end the review. Okay, so I am signing out. Bye bye.